What's up, guys? Your boy Russ here, back with another one. Today's some exciting news. I'm happy I get to drop off B to my guy Zach with Tailored Garage. I'll leave the link to the description below. If you're local in Washington, you need some work done, he does all the work on my car. He put the air suspension on, he put the family customs kit on, the window louvers. He put everything that I have on my car except for the wheels and the lights. So if you're local and you need any type of work done on your car, whether it's a wrap, wide body, whatever you guys need, this man can do it. As you can see right behind me, I got all the stuff. I'm getting ready to load it up and I'm getting ready to head over there. I'm excited. So as you can see, guys, from this box right next to my arm, that we are all loaded and we are heading over to Zach's house so we can drop off B and get these mods added. Like I said, I'm definitely excited, man. This is a big thing, you know what I mean? I get to change a couple things on the car. It's gonna look great, I know it is. Family Customs, they do great work. I'm just anxious to see how the intake is gonna sound now that I'm gonna have an aftermarket intake. Definitely want to see how that sounds. Coupled with my exhaust, you already know I already have. And I'm excited about the new badges. I already know I'm gonna catch some flack because I'm taking the 1320B and I'm putting it on my car instead of the regular Scat B. This is my car, I make the payment, so I don't really care what anybody think. And I just like that B better than the regular Scat B. So I already know I'm gonna catch some flack for that. Like, oh, you don't have a 1320. I don't care. It's my car. So yeah, it's gonna be good, man. Also, like I said, I got more things I'm trying to do in the near future as far as appearance, so that's coming as well. Like I said, this year I'm just focusing on appearance, so by the end of this year I think all of my appearance mods will be done on the car. I'm not gonna tell you what else I got coming or what else I'm doing. I just want you guys to see it. And next year just be saving, and pretty much after my wedding, possibly a little later, that's when I'm gonna start my engine modifications. But I'm definitely looking into which headers I can get now, just so I can have the headers now and worry about everything else later. I'm probably gonna end up going with the Cooks, and it's gonna be probably the 1 7/8 long tube headers with catless downpipes because I don't want cats. And we're gonna go from there. Like I said, I'm on my way right now to Zach's. He's super close to my house, thank God. So I'm gonna be there in a second. Gotta put my seatbelt on. Hey, safety first, remember that. But yeah, I'm almost to his house. Probably another couple minutes. When I get there, I'll let you meet the guy. So stay tuned. But yeah, right here is it's pushing out more on this side. You know, because these are 10s. These are 20 by 10 in the front.
Gotcha.
And the other ones that I had, the replicas, yeah, I think they 20 by 9.5.
Oh, okay.
And I don't know if it's because I got this, because it's a 275/40. So I was going to try to downsize it like a 275/35 and see if that make a difference.
You get a little more clearance in between, but either way, it's going to grab.
Either way, it's going to grab. So it's kind of like a waste of money then.
Yeah.
All right.
Just rock what you have. I would just do a slight roll.
Just a slight roll?
Slight roll. Just give a little more clearance for the tire.
And then I got my new badges. I want you to put on. I'm gonna show you everything that I want you to put on. Yeah, you ain't see none of this. You ain't see the bagged and bougie, the new wheels. Like, I got the new vinyls on the side.
All the new carbon pieces.
Yeah, so what I got is, this is the front splitter.
Yeah.
Can you open this? Because I want to see what this looks, not the splitter, but this is the diffuser. I just want to see if it look cheesy. You know what I mean? I don't want it to be cheesy. Cause this one, man, this one came out like super cheap.
Yeah, it's like more like an OEM.
Yeah,
that's why.
I don't like that one at all. So hopefully that one looks better. It should match the should match the side skirts. Let's hope.
So, right?
Anything would be better than this one, because this one just looks like super dull.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh yeah, that look way better. Oh yeah.
Clean weave.
Yeah.
That's a nice ass weave.
Yeah, that's gonna be good. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna look way better than what I got on there now. Oh yeah, I can't wait. Yeah, so that, the diffuser, obviously we got the splitter, the side skirts. This is the intake,
Gotcha.
the leg maker one, the one you put on his Brian's 392,
Oh, yeah,
the one that goes down.
Oh yeah, that one was hella fun to do.
And then and then just cut the 392 and then put these on there.
Yeah, that's tight.
Yeah. Because I have a hood prop that I got custom made with that B on it.
Okay.
And then it says B, which is the name of the car underneath it.
Yeah.
So I rocked it at the couple shows I just went to. So yeah,
Tight.
that's gonna be sick. I already know.
You said you wanted to cut 392 off?
No. The
Oh,
ones that's on
okay,
there.
I
The
was
one,
like-
no.
I was like,
No, the ones that's
okay.
on there, take those off and just put that one on there.
Easy.
And then what else we got? Can you do the? I think this is the stabilizers, or it might whatever part with it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
And then I got these overlays because I painted the engine covers.
Yeah. Oh, it's right over the little groove.
Yeah.
Oh, this is your hat.
What is that? Is that my hat?
Hat.
So where they put the it's probably in the kit somewhere then.
Yeah.
What is that? Let me see that. Oh, they gave me a family customs hat?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. You guys can see. If you want to order from these guys, they do nothing but great work, trust me. I'm gonna take this with me. So,
These little
yeah.
grooves.
Now I painted it. Is that gonna stop them from sticking?
No.
You can still stick it?
It'll still stick. As long as your paint holds, the sticker will hold.
All right, yeah, as you can see, I added all these. This one got jacked up right here.
Oh, yeah, because the little nip.
Yeah, I didn't know, so now I gotta peel this one and then get a new vinyl.
New vinyl.
Yeah. Yeah, I got the Flow Series headlights on there.
Ooh.
I'm gonna turn them off before I leave. I think that was it. The new things, new badges, new kit. Yeah, I think that's it. Also, though, I just ordered a B5 Blue Hellcat hood.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, it's coming, so
Sick.
I'm gonna need you to put that on.
No problem. Easy.
So that's gonna be, cause I was gonna get the Demon hood,
Yeah.
but I'm like, I want heat extraction.
Yeah.
So I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and just do it like that and just get the Hellcat hood.
Nice.
Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, before walk around, you see how the rear scats, they're getting switched out. So it's gonna be new side skirts. So these are going away. It's gonna be a new front splitter. Like all this ground effects kit is going away, and it will be up for sale. So if you want it, let me know. This rear diffuser is going away. As you can see, all the parts is in here. Look at that. Look at that carbon fiber weave. So like I say, if you guys are interested in it, just let me know. As you see, guys, we are back. It's empty in here. B has been dropped off. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I cannot wait to see the car after I pick her up. I know she's gonna look amazing. He's gonna do a great job, and I just can't wait to show it off. I got a couple more shows coming up that I will be attending, so I just want the car to look as perfect as possible, if you know what I mean. Trying to get some more hardware before the show season ends. So stay tuned to the next one. Remember to hit that like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on the content. Until the next one, peace.